Hello everyone, this is Shantou Century Beauty Dress Company Limited. Located in Gurao Town, a famous underwear town in Shantou, we focus on body shaping and beauty. Today, let me show you around our company. With over 2 decades of expertise, we operate from a 20,000 plus square meter modern production facility, equipped to support 1,000 plus skilled technicians, R&D design team, and dedicated marketing team. We are a high-tech enterprise integrating independent R&D, design, production, and marketing. For over 20 years, Century Beauty has upheld the spirit of originality. From sketching to design, from fabric screening to sample creation, every step of the process is rigorously controlled. Our own brands include Century Beauty and Shuyuan. We specialize in the production of a complete line of body-shaping apparel, including sexy, medical aesthetic, seamless, strong shaping, and European and American styles. We also offer one-stop OEM ODM services for major brands. Our showroom showcases over 1,000 independently developed products, and we have applied for over 100 product patents. We are certified by international quality and management systems, including ISO 9001, BSCI, and GRS. Through large-scale technology-driven and highly efficient production, we manufacture a diverse range of high-quality products, earning trust as a reliable partner for numerous domestic and international brands. Our company operates an independent digital smart warehouse and utilizes an ERP management system, ensuring fast and accurate order fulfillment. In-stock items ship within 24 to 48 hours for rapid delivery. As a leading manufacturer of premium shapewear products, we empower global brands with innovative designs, superior craftsmanship, and OEM ODM solutions tailored to your market.